This time we'll be fully completing the square. Notice the directions are complete the square for this problem. This problem is, if you remember what the caret is from Desmos, that is the square plus 2x plus 6. So we first off starting like we are finding c. That was where we divided by 2, right? Squared it, and I get 1. What I do with that is then I subtract it from the original c. Okay? Now, with that in mind, this is the full process to find everything. 2x plus 6. Remember, I need to find something that looks x plus 1 squared plus 2, x plus 1 squared plus 5, x plus 2 squared plus 5, x plus 1 squared minus 5. Okay, that is my final result. So this is just the full process to keep in mind, but then there are things that we can do along the way to help us make one of these. Only one can be winner. So first off, like I said, divide by 2, that gives you 1. Notice it is a plus 1. It is a plus 1, x plus 1. Coincidence? Why, it is not coincidence. But you can do it right away. Next, like I did over here, I am going to square it. 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1. The square result gets subtracted from the c. 6 minus 1 is 5. Not only that, it's a positive 5. If you're not good with your positives and negatives, use the calculator. Plus 5. X plus 1 plus 5. All right. Let's keep going. X squared plus 10x plus 15. Again, like I'm finding c, I divide by 2, divide the b by 2, which gives me 5. It is a positive 5, x plus 5 squared. All right. X plus 5 squared, plus 5 squared, plus 5 squared, plus 5 squared. Not helpful. All right, let's square this one. Gives me 25. I'm doing 15 minus 25. In your calculator, if you did 15 minus 25, you get negative 10. Minus 10 at the bottom. Ding, ding, ding. So again, divide by 2. That number goes in the parentheses. You square that answer, put it after the original c, subtracting them, and your answer is this. So this is your k, h, this is your k. So your vertex, if asking, and I know you are, is negative 5, negative 10. Not needed, should know it though. X squared minus 4x plus 1. Divide by 2. Negative 2 is your answer. X minus 2 squared. I look over here. I get minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 2. Get out of here. All right. Square it. 4. X, 1 minus 4. Negative 3. Negative 3. Ding, 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 ding. Vertex. Not asking. Don't care. Positive. Positive 2. Negative 3. X squared plus 6x plus 2. Divide by 2. You get 3. X plus 3 squared. Come over here. Good test taking skills. Cross out as you go. Yo. 3 squared. Oh, it's 9, minus 9, 2 minus 9, minus 7. If you don't know, use your calculator. It is the first one. Okay? I know I'm going quick, but you can pause. X squared minus 16x plus 66. As I have for the past 4, I'm dividing by 2. I get negative 8. I get x minus 8 squared. I get 8 squared. I get 64. Oof, stop looking at the camera. Minus 64. That's 2. Plus 2. Right? And it's the C. Vertex. 8, 2. All right? Up here, I forgot about it. Vertex. Negative 3, negative 7. All right? If you don't know, ask your teacher.